Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. I am so in love with this wig. This hair is from Megalook hair. I never worn a brown wig ever, so this was definitely my first time trying it. It also has some black roots right here, so it's kind of like black then faded into a brown for the most part. And this is a 4x4 lace frontal. You guys know I love doing those are very easy and quick, and this video is going to be very easy and quick. So if you guys want to know how I install this wig from Megalook, then just keep on watching. To receive your Megalook hair, it'll come in this silk pouch, and this pouch does come with some goodies too, which I'll show you guys in a minute. This is the hair. It is 24 inches with a body wave, which I truly love, with a 4x4 lace frontal, but you can get it in 13x4 or 5x5. This hair is so shiny and pretty, and I didn't even put any product in it yet. The goodies, you'll receive a wig cap, some lashes, an edge brush, a hair clip, and a edge band. Before I put the wig cap on, I need to remove my actual hair out of my face. I'm going to be taking my edge fixer in the scent Sweet Leche, and I put a dead in this. It works so good. And I'm just going to be slicking my edges back. If you guys want to know more in detail of how I prepare my hair before I put on a wig, I'll link that video down below for you guys. But I am putting on this wig cap that they gave me. And this is how the hair looks after I bleached the knots, washed it, and pre-plucked it, because it needs to be a little bit more pre-plucked. But I love how shiny and so pretty it is. This is the wax stick I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to be moving the wig's little flyaways out the way, because every time I forget to do this, and when I put my hair on, it just be a hot mess. So always do this step before putting on the wig. Now I'm taking an alcohol swab just to wipe off my forehead so I can prepare the glue that I'm going to be using, or spray that I'm going to be using. But then I realized I really needed to tint my lace. It was looking a little bit too, I don't know, it just wasn't doing it for me. So I did use this tint from Eben. I truly love this tint, but I am going to be using the Eben Wonder Bond Spray, and I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 layers in this video. But if I was going to wear this wig longer, I would say do 5 to 7 layers. Everything that I'm using in this video will be linked down below for you guys. Now I'm going to be adding the wig, and as you can see, it looks so easy just to flop on, since I did use a hot comb and wax stick to remove all the flyaways. That piece that was stuck in my hair, that was from the lace, and I just cut the sides of the lace, since that part would pretty much be in the way and it wouldn't really make your hair look realistic on you. Now I'm using the back of this comb to make sure that the lace is going to be laying flat on my forehead. I don't want it to be lumpy or none of that, and I am going to be using the blow dryer to help melt it better. I'm going to be using this edge band just to melt everything together. Y'all, look how realistic this hair looks. Like, yes, it's 100% human hair, but it looks like it's coming from my scalp. Look at the scalp area though, it looks so real. After I'm done letting the lace melt for about 10 to 15 minutes, I am going to be using some eyebrow scissors to cut off the excess lace. And I'm just gonna kind of do it in like a zigzag motion in a way. I feel like I should have cut a little bit more off, but you know what, it's okay, because I have found the perfect way for your lace to look more melted onto your skin. And oh my gosh, when I realized this trick, I was shook. Like, y'all will see in this one clip, like I was seriously shook. Now I'm wiping off my forehead using an alcohol swab so I can take off the spray that's on my forehead. Sometimes I put too much, so I have to use the alcohol swab to remove it. And now I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle and use a wax stick and a hot comb just to have everything smooth and laying flat. Did get a new wax stick and it works so good. I personally like it better than the other one that I usually use. Like, both of them work really good, but I like this one better because it was a little bit cheaper, you know. It was only like $5, but it still works exactly the same. Now I'm just gonna take my baby hairs out so I can have them lay flat while I'm about to straighten my hair. I was gonna do them first, but I feel like it really wouldn't make sense to do them first because my hair might be in the way when I try to do them. So I'm gonna actually do them after I straighten my hair. To straighten my hair, I am going to be using my heat protecting oil so I can protect the hair, and I am going to be using my Irresistible Me hair straightener. I had this hair straightener since I was about 16 or 17 years old, and it's a little bit dangerous, but you have to be smart with it. I ain't gonna lie, you have to be smart with it. Don't overdo it unless you want damage, okay? But I truly love this straightener. I'll link it down below for you guys. Let me give you guys some more information about this hair. It is a 1B/4 body wave version human hair wig. It is 24 inches, which includes 3 bundles of hair with closure made into a 210% density with a 4x4 lace. And look how good the hair is looking while I'm straightening it. It looks so shiny, it looks so silky and smooth. And I'm seriously obsessed with this wig. Like, this is probably one of my new favorite wigs, especially because the color of it, the way it's colored, the root is black, then it fades into a brown. It looks super natural. Like, I truly love this hair. And having a hot comb while I'm straightening my hair is the perfect combination, because if I'm only straightening my hair with a hot comb, my hair will be lumpy on top. But once you have the hot comb to lay it flat, the roots and everything, it makes it even more realistic. Like, it's coming from your scalp. Like, it looks so much better. Using a concealer that matches your forehead exactly. And this is when I knew I finally found the right method to blend out my frontal to make it look more realistic. And with a powder that matches with it, oh my gosh, it makes it look so blurred out. Perfect. Like, I don't know why I didn't do this before. Like, I was really sleeping on this method. Like, seriously. But now I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, and I am going to be curling them. Then I'll be using edge gel to lay them. And my focus face while I'll be curling my edges be so funny. I'm just like, wow, I really look like this while I do my edges. But the thing is, I'm not trying to burn my forehead. Now once I'm done doing my makeup and everything, I'm just gonna add one more touch, which is adding that same concealer that I used and using a waterproof mascara. This isn't waterproof, but I recommend you guys using waterproof. But I am going to be adding some of this to my roots because I did over bleach a little bit. But even if I don't over bleach, I prefer doing this because it makes the middle part look more cleaner. If you guys want to know if this hair is worth buying and my final thoughts about this hair, then just stay tuned towards the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. I truly love this hair. I would rate this a 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10. The lace frontal was difficult for me in a way. Definitely have to color the lace frontal, because if you just leave it like that, especially if you have more of like a tan or dark skin tone, it's kind of gonna look fake on you. So yeah, definitely use some foundation at least to make sure it matches your skin tone better. I did use concealer and it did help a lot, but the hair itself, like besides the lace front, the hair itself is perfect quality. It barely sheds, first of all, and I just love how thick it is. It's not too thick, but it's like thick where it's looking natural on me, and it's not looking thin at all to where it's looking cheap. The length of it is perfect, all the way down here, like near my butt crack area. I could also tell Megalook really took their time with the hair. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.